Welcome to the Students News Network. Tonight's biggest news has shaken students emotionally
mentally,
and academically.
especially those students who said boards are finally over and now life is peaceful.
But rumors are spreading that ICSE might conduct a second board examination.
Students across the country are reacting strongly
And some students reportedly reopened their school bags after weeks.
and immediately close them again due to emotional damage.
We now go live to our first ground reporter outside a school.
Hello studio. So right now I'm in front of a school and frankly the situation here is not good. I spoke to a lot of students and their responses were frankly very shocking. One of the students said, "Ma'am, I have forgotten how to hold even a pen." While another student said, "Ma'am, yesterday I opened my physics books and the book looked shocked." One of the students said, "Ma'am, finally in vacation my sleep schedule has been fixed." So yes, the situation is very dire. Back to you.
Thank you for your important update.
The nation deserves answers.
We now move to our second reporter outside a coaching center.
Yes, right now I am standing in front of a coaching institute where environment is suspiciously positive. The teacher smiled and told me that the students should not panic before the examination because they are going to release the final revision batch, followed by ultra final revision batch, followed by super mega ultra final revision batch. This is the condition and God knows how many revision batches will be launched. Yes, and one of the exhausted student told us that, "Sir, even my calculator needs motivation." Even the other student came to me and told that, "Sir, I have watched one of the video whose name was Study With Me and I slept before the intro ended." And perhaps the most shocking statement came from one of the student and he said, "Sir, if second board examination was about to happen, then why did I celebrate it emotionally after the completion of first board exam?"
We now go live to our third reporter inside the school library.
Yes, I'm reporting live from the school library, which is now seen crowded after so many months. And students who actually forgot the route of the library could now be seen entering over here very carefully. There was one student who was opening his maths book and he said that I'm going to complete the entire syllabus today, but he's right now just at page 3. And there was another student who was seen staring at the chemistry book, and when asked about his preparation, he realized that I was just waiting for the motivation to arrive. One emotionally damaged student actually told me that, "Ma'am, I made the timetable, but now even the timetable looks disappointed in me." And the major heartbreak came in when there was one student who told that I opened YouTube for studying through lectures, but I ended up watching food blogs. Back to the newsroom.
Breaking news update.
Student recent search history has reportedly leaked.
Top search include how to complete syllabus without opening books, can panic increase marks, how to look productive in front of parents, difference between revision and staring at notes.
We now go to our final reporter outside a stationery shop.
Thank you. I am Rachita Sachdeva, your ground reporter, reporting straight from one of the stationery. And yes, there is a massive panic buying happening here. Students who had disappeared after board exams are suddenly buying notebooks. And one student reportedly entered the shop and asked the shopkeeper, "Is there any pen who correctly write the answers automatically?" And the shopkeeper replied, "Beta, if such pens appears, I would also be a topper." And another student bought 5 highlighters and proudly said, "I may not study, but my paper should look cinematic." And finally, one student looked directly into the camera and said, "I was mentally in vacation mode. Even my brain has switched off the updates." This is Rachita Sachdeva, your reporter, signing off.
And now the biggest update tonight is
After complete investigation,
the second board exam news was not a rumor. Students cannot play cricket.
coaching classes are taking late night marathons.
And stationery shops are gifting highlighters on buying gel pens. So students, don't panic.
And remember,
The real challenge is not board exams.
It's studying after opening Instagram for 5 minutes. So, in order to excel in your board exams, just enroll in our Victory Batch in 2027, that too in English.